Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of Boxycharm July base box, which I have right here, and I'm super excited to see what's in here. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, they are a $25 subscription box. You get 5 full-size products for the base box. Value, which is $120. So let's get to it and let's see what we got in here. Okay, so I have my handy dandy box cutter to open, and let's see what we have. I always get excited to open the Boxycharm because you just never know what you get in here. And hold on, you guys. It's super hard to open sometimes. Like, I cannot find the opener. Let's see what we have. Ooh, okay. Okay, you guys, I finally got it open. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Ooh, we have a card here, and it is called Sunshine. Super cute, very suitable for summertime. Love this. Love that they did that. Okay, let's see what we have. Ooh, okay, so we have the Studio Makeup Cream Eyeshadow. I love that they used a different way for eyeshadows, like in a bottle kind of tube. And let's see the applicator. I'm gonna swatch for you guys to see. This is really neat, super cute. Let's swatch this. Okay, so I mean, it does have a liquid feel to it, very wet feel to it, glittery, kind of clearish, which I love. Super natural looking. I do see myself reaching for this. I know in my last, a couple months back, my last Boxycharm, actually was my first Boxycharm, I got a Studio Makeup palette. So this is kind of cool to see it in a different form, different way. Let's see, you guys. So let's see what this retails for. So it retails for $25. It says, get both shimmer and shine with this cream eyeshadow. This lightweight, decadent formula is the perfect addition to your glow. Okay. Apply a sheer layer for a soft and radiant daytime appearance, or add a few layers for a dramatic evening glow. That's super cool. I'm excited to use this and try this out, and this is what the bottle looks like. And kind of a clear, glittery, I do love glitter. It doesn't seem to have too much in it, so this is super cool. I'm excited about this. The next item that I have, okay, is the quick color switch. So I've never heard of this. Dry makeup brush cleaner. Ooh, super cool. Lavish. Ooh, I love me a brush cleaner. I know I clean my brushes with spray that I got from Ulta. It works pretty well. So this is what it looks like, the container. And this one, let's see, it retails for $17. Lavish Sunshine. Okay. It says, with this quick color switch dry brush cleaner, you can quickly remove powder, pigment from makeup brushes without water. Okay, that's super cool. Reusable and washable. Ooh, super cool. Okay, so I love that you can use this. It doesn't have to be wet or anything like that. You can use a dry brush. So just basically like that. I have to try it out later on, but that is super cool. I will definitely use this for my brushes and try this out. So that is what it looks like. Oh, that's super cool that they would have that in the Boxycharm box. Super cool. Definitely will use this. Ooh, the next one. Okay, so I've never heard of this 1-1 Skin Harley St. London. It's a pollution defense booster, skin booster. And it says a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. Unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution. Ooh, okay, that's awesome. I've never used this for my face, so let's look at the bottle. Let's look at the bottle. So I'm assuming you would use, so okay, shake well before you use. Mix 1 to 2 drops into the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer, or apply directly to skin after. So you can use like a moisturizer, whatever moisturizer that you have, or you could just put it on your skin. And this is, ooh, look at that, you guys. So this is the bottle. This is super cool. Does it have a smell? Ooh, it has like a clean smell to it. And this is like, let's see if it'll look. So you would use like 2 drops here. Let's see if we can get it. So 2 drops. That's what it looks like, the clear. Ooh. Very like moisturizing, very clear. I love that. I will definitely use this and give it a try. I get nervous using stuff like this because I don't know how it would affect my skin, but this is pretty cool, like healthy. I'm gonna try this out and let you guys know how it does. And wow, you guys, this retails for $135. That is crazy for this little, I mean, I can see why, but wow, this little bottle. Glad that I got this in the box. Excited to try it out, but wow, that's expensive. Super crazy. Wow. Okay. The next item that I got is the Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. Okay. Eye mask. Love this. I love eye masks. Let's open it and see. Anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. I love wrinkle masks, like to help with your wrinkles or whatever. I mean, I don't really have a lot of wrinkles, but just to be honest. But let's see what it looks like, you guys. Let's see what we have, you guys. Oh, that's dreadful to open. Okay, so this is the packaging. Ooh, good choice. Ooh, oh my goodness, you guys. You get, how many do you get? 12 pairs of the eye mask. So basically, you guys, you would put this underneath your eyes with no makeup, no, just clean skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. It says basically rinse with water, enhance gets in eyes. Do not use on sunburn or broken skin. Don't use it on sunburned skin. No. So 15 to 20 minutes you would put underneath the eyes, and apparently it will take all your wrinkles away. So that's exciting. I'm excited to use this. I cannot wait to try it out. This is super cool. I am so up for face masks, just anything self-care, skincare related. I love this. Super cool. Okay, you guys, and it says 12 pairs in here of the eye mask. It says suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, general fatigue around your eyes. Perk them up as if you just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They vitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes. Ooh, love that. Leaving you looking more awake and youthful. Definitely cool. This retails for $21. Super cool. I am so excited to try this out. I love that they give you 12 pairs. The last item that I got, you guys, ooh, okay, from Ace Beauty. I love Ace Beauty. They have beautiful eyeshadow palettes. They make beautiful colors, super cute. Okay, and this is what the packaging looks like. I love this. And it looks like it's a, yeah, bronzer palette. That's what I was just about to say, different shades of bronze. Love that. Ooh, it comes with a shield. Ooh, super cute. Okay, you guys, look at that. I love this. I love the packaging. I love Ace Beauty. So let's do some swatches. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Love the tones. So let's swatch this. that, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. I love this. I definitely see myself using these two shades here. These are good shades too, but this one's kind of like too light for me over here, this one. But I definitely see myself using these two shades for sure. I love bronzer palettes, especially different shades. Super cool, super cute. Love this. This is what it looks like. And on my hand, I don't know if you guys can see that. The Bronze in Paradise bronzer palette is an addition to the much loved Paradise collection. 4 bronze shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of liquid cream or other powder complexion products. So that's cool too. Variation, different ways you can use the palette. And this retails for $30. Ace Beauty, they are awesome. They make beautiful products, especially eyeshadows. I know them well for their palettes. Love it. Super cute. Love this. Overall, you guys, this was a great box. I think that one thing that shocked me the most was the 1-1 Skin Harley St. London, the Pollution Defense Booster. The $135, that is crazy. I would never pick up something like this. That is pretty cool. Like, everything in my box was awesome. I loved the brush cleaner, especially the dry brush cleaner. I loved this. Awesome. You definitely need a brush cleaner in your collection, whether it's the spray bottle, just different ways. You have to clean your makeup brushes to keep it sanitized. You don't want a dirty makeup brush. No. I loved the Studio cream eyeshadow. I'm excited to try this and see how it does on my eyes. I normally don't use cream eyeshadow, but we'll see how it does and see how it looks on me. And also too, I loved the Ace Beauty bronzer palette. I will definitely get a lot of use in this by using this. Super awesome. And Stella eye masks, 12 pairs. You cannot beat that. I'm excited to try this. I love that it takes away your wrinkles or just anything, fine lines, anything like that. Super exciting to try this. I love me a face mask. Awesome. I loved everything in my box. Boxycharm did really well. And two, comment down below what you guys got in your Boxycharm. Let me know what you guys think about your things that you've got. If you like it, awesome. Like, this is exciting. And yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love this video, please give me a thumbs up. And also too, please subscribe so you can get all my new videos that I do post. And yeah, I love you all, and I am excited, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.